small revision we'll do on max, children. So 9th class max, small revision on random sums we'll do, children. First sum, see here. Yep. Question is factorize x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. This is the question. You have to factorize it, children. Okay. So we have to factorize x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. So when you want to factorize here, see here, in this both what is the common thing? X square.
X.
If you take x square in this both, what is the common thing? Means x square is there. If you take x square common, x minus 2 is there. Am I correct, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And in these both, if I take one common, what is common thing? X minus 2. X minus 2, if I take common thing, what is that? X square minus 1. Okay, so x minus 2 into x square minus 1, we can write it as x square minus 1 square. So x minus 2 into x square minus 1 square, we can write as x plus 1 into x minus 1. Because the highest power is 3, compulsory 3 factors should come. 1, 2, 3 factors I got. What is one number? One factor, x is equal to other factor minus 1, other factor plus 1.
Oh,
So
plus 1.
this is how you have to find the factorization. This is one method. Okay, this is one method. The other method, children, if you can take the factors common, then you can do. The other method is you have to substitute once 1, once minus 1, once 2, once minus 2, once 3, once minus 3, and you have to find one factor. With that one factor you have to divide, you'll get the quotient. That quotient, if you split, you'll get remaining 2 factors. I know you didn't understand. I'll tell slowly, children. See, you have to substitute all these things in this. One factor by trial and error method you should find out. After getting that one factor, with that one factor, divide this polynomial. Then you will get quotient. That quotient, you split the middle term. Then you will get 2 more factors. One factor we found out, 2 factors we got, so 3 factors. Highest power 3 means you have to do like this. Then you will get, sir, highest power 4 is there, what we should do? If highest power 4 is there, then by trial and error method you have to find out 2 factors. Multiply the 2 factors, you will get a polynomial. With this polynomial, you divide the original polynomial. Then you will get quotient. That quotient is to be split, then you will get remaining 2 factors, because highest power 4 means 4 factors should be there. Sir, we didn't understand anything. Can you please show? Means I will show you, children. The same sum, children. The same sum is there, no? The same sum. This is direct method. This is by trial and error method. I will show you. See here, children. First, let us substitute 1. If you substitute 1, what do you get? 1 cube minus 2 into 1 square minus 1 plus 2. 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus 2. This gone. This gone. X is equal to 1 is a factor. Enough. One factor you should find out. After finding one factor, divide. With whom you will divide? With x minus 1.
Sir, x minus 1, sir.
Whom we should divide? This polynomial.
X cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2.
Cube 1. X cube by x.
X square, sir.
X square into x. X cube.
X cube, sir.
Minus 1. Minus x square.
Minus x.
This is minus. This is plus. This is gone. Minus x square. Minus x. Minus x square by x. Minus x.
Minus x, sir.
Into x. Minus x square.
Minus x square.
Plus x.
Plus x.
So this is plus, this is minus. This is minus 2x plus 2. Minus 2x by x minus 2.
Sir, minus 2, sir.
Minus 2 into x minus 2x plus 2.
Plus 2, sir.
Plus minus
0.
0. Now go for splitting of the middle term of this number. How do you split this middle number, children? X square minus 2x plus 1x.
Minus 2x plus 1x.
1 minus
Minus 2x plus 1x is minus 1x. Minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. In this, what is common? X. X minus 2. In this, what is common? 1. X
1, sir.
2. X minus 2 is common. The other one is left over, x plus 1.
X minus.
Already we got x minus 1. Now we got x minus 2 and x plus 1. That's what I told you here also, no, children? This is other method. If you can't split like this, then you have to go by this method. Okay, children, like this. Because highest power is 3, we have to find out one factor. With that one factor you divide, you will get the quotient. That quotient you split the middle term, you will get 2 more factors. That's it. This is method, children. I hope you are able to understand. Okay, this is one sum, children. One more sum we'll discuss. Find 3 different irrational numbers between 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. Find 3 irrational numbers between 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. 3 irrational numbers in sync, children. Do you know what is irrational number, children?
That which cannot be written in P by Q form.
Non-terminating and non-repeating. Okay, cannot be written in P by Q form. Cannot be written in P. Non-terminating, non-repeating is called irrational number. Non-terminating and non-repeating is called irrational number. Okay, so 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. These are rational numbers only. Between these two rational numbers, some irrational number he wants. Okay, no problem. So some irrational numbers he wants, children. Okay, if he wants some irrational numbers, what we will do? So children, I will teach you in decimal form. I will teach you in fraction form. Whichever is easy, you do, children. First I am teaching in decimal form. Children, you should be very careful. Decimal form I am teaching. Please see here. 5 by 7 is approximately how much? 0.71. 0.71. Okay, children. And 11 by 9 is how much, children? 0.81. Children,
Sir, I have a question related to the subject. Can I ask?
No, this one related to this. Doubt.
No, sir. Actually, another question like this only, sir, but with decimals.
Okay, later you can. Okay, after telling this, you ask me. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So between 0.7 and 0.81, I want an irrational number. No, I want first rational number, sir. Means okay. 0.72 you can write. 0.73 you can write. 0.74 you can write. That's all. Means 0.75 you can write. 0.76 you can write. 0.77 you can write. 0.78 you can write. 0.79 you can write. 0.79 you can write. 0.80 you can write. That's all, children. That's all, or any more you will get. That's all, or any more you will get.
We'll get more.
How many you will get more?
Infinite.
Infinite. Fantastic, Sharma. Very good. Infinite numbers. Why only 0.72, children? I will write 0.723.
721, 735.
My wish. 0.731692 if ever it is terminating and not, if ever it is terminating, it is rational number. These all are rational numbers. These all are rational numbers. But he wants irrational number. Irrational number means between this only you should write. Irrational number means 0.723421 something you write and put dots. Dots indicate non-terminating.
Non-terminating.
And you should not write any repeating number 34, 34, 34 like that. You should not write. Non-terminating, non-repeating is irrational number. Sir, can you explain one more? See, I will tell. 0.7356218 your wish, children. Whatever you want you write, but dots you have to put. If you don't put dots, it's wrong. If you don't put dots, what is the meaning?
It is terminating.
Terminating. If you put dots, what is the meaning?
Non-terminating.
Non-terminating.
Non-terminating and non-repeating is
Non-repeating.
irrational number.
Irrational number.
No, sir, I want one more example. Means your wish. You give 0.74631215. Your wish, children. Whatever number you want, you write. How many you want, you can write. Infinite numbers you can write. This is decimal form. Now, fractional form, I want irrational numbers means, children, you should have some sound knowledge about this irrational numbers and irrational numbers. Okay, I will tell. 5 by 7, 9 by 11. Just. Okay, children. So, 5 by 7 and 9 by 11, I want in decimal form only, sir. Means I will say, children, try to listen carefully. Children, what is 7 and 11 LCM? 77.
77.
7 and 11 LCM? 77. 7 11s are 11 5s are 55. 11 7s are 7 9s are 63. Okay? So between 55 and 63, between 55 and 63, what are the next numbers, children? You will get 56 by
56,
77, 57 by
57 by
77,
77,
58 by
58 by
77,
77, 59 by 77, 60 by 77, 61 by 77, 62 by 77.
62 by 77. Okay, children. These are rational numbers or irrational numbers, children? These are.
Rational numbers, sir.
rational
Rational
numbers,
numbers, sir.
Why these are rational numbers?
P by Q form.
That
Because they can be written, they are in
They are
limit form
rational.
and Q is not 0.
They are rational numbers, children. Because we are all writing in P by Q form, they are rational numbers. They are rational numbers, children. Okay, when they are rational numbers, children, when they are rational numbers, we are inserting rational numbers. No, sir, I want to insert an irrational number. Means in fractional form, inserting irrational number is not possible, children. Compulsory you have to put in decimal form. No, sir, I want in fractional form. Means rational numbers you can insert in decimals and fractions, but irrational numbers I want means compulsory only decimal form. Irrational numbers only decimal form. Rational numbers means decimal form also possible, fraction form also possible, because if you are writing a fraction means it is a fraction form. You are able to understand, children? You are able
Yes,
to
sir.
understand, children?
yes, sir.
Okay, so like this, children. So this is irrational numbers and rational. Irrational number means number which is non-terminating and non-repeating. Number which is non-terminating and non-repeating. One more question. Discuss. Children, he is asking, give the possible expressions for length, breadth of the each of the following. Length and breadth. 25a square minus 35a plus 12. We have to find out length and breadth of this, children. Length and breadth. Okay, children, this is the form of split the middle term, children. How do you split the middle term? 12 5s are 60, 12 2s are 24. If you multiply, you should get 300. Plus or minus should give 35. Tell me two numbers which are multiplication gives 300, plus or minus gives 35. Two numbers which are multiplication should give 300, plus or minus should give 35. Anyone? If you don't know, you have to do prime factorization and you have to find out. Yes, children, anyone? Plus or minus multiplication should give 300, plus or minus should give you 35. Yes, children, anyone? Shall I write or you will write?
12,
Yes?
25 and 12.
No, 25 and 12 is 27, but I want 35. Anyone wants to say or shall I tell? 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30. Five 2s are 10, 10 2s 20. Yeah. So children, other one is this is not possible. 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20. 20 and 15 is 300. 20 plus 15 is 35. You should know how to split the middle term, children. If not, it will become very tough in higher classes. Okay, so 20 into 15 is 300. 20 plus 15 is 35. So how to write, children? 25a square minus 20a minus 15a plus 21. What is the common number in both of them?
Sir, 5.
5a. 5a minus 4 minus 3.
3 into
5a
5
minus
minus
4. 5a minus 4 into 5a minus 3. Okay, children? Just wait, children, 1 second. 1 second, be online. Yeah, children, you understood?
Yes, sir.
Next one, children. So this we can say length, this we can say breadth. Other one, 35y square, 13y minus 12. Okay, 12 5s are 60, 12 3s are 36, 42. On multiplication 420 should come, plus or minus 13 should come. Who are the two numbers, children? 2 tens are okay, children. So what are the numbers, children? So what are the numbers? On multiplication 420 should come, plus or minus 13 should come.
Sir, 25 and 12.
Yeah, very good. 1 second.
Uh, 25 and 12, or is I think 25 into 12 is 300.
Wait a second, sir.
Sir, I got, sir, 28 into 12.
Sir, 25 and
Yes,
12 is
sir.
300, sir.
28 and 15.
How much, Nana?
25 and 12.
25 and 12. 25 minus 12 is 13. Correct. 25 and 12 is correct. 25 into 12. 12 2s are 24. 30. No, not 25 is 60.
Sir, it is
No.
28 and 15, sir.
28 and
15.
15 8s are 120. 15 2s are 30. 420. Yeah, 28 and 15. So 35y square plus 28y minus 15y minus 12. In this, what is common? 7y.
7.
5y plus 4. Minus, in this, what is common? 3.
3, sir.
5y
5y
plus
plus
4.
4.
So what is common, children?
5y plus 4 into 7y minus 3, sir.
Very good. So this is your length, this is your breadth.
Right.
So 2 factors you should get, you got it, 2 factors. Okay, children, next one. Children, next one. If the point 3 comma 4 lies on the graph, if point 3 comma 4 lies on the graph of equation of line 3y is equal to ax plus 7, find a. Find a. Who will tell this? Kaustubha, you tell a. How to find a? Kaustubha. Yeah, Kaustubha. She is not listening only. Yeah. Who will tell? Tanmay, you tell Nana.
Yes, sir.
After rest how much time? Fast.
A into 4 equals to A into 3 plus 7. 12 equals to 3A plus 7. 12 equals to 12 minus 7 equals to 3a, 5 equals to 3a, a equals to 5 by 3.
A is equal to 5 by 3. Very good. Okay, next. Children, the taxi fare in a city is as follows. For the first kilometer, the fare is 8 rupees. For the first kilometer, you travel in a taxi, you have to pay 8 rupees. And for the subsequent distance, it is 5 rupees per kilometer. Okay, next, every kilometer you should pay 5 rupees per kilometer. Taking the distance covered as x, taking distance as x, and total cost as y, total cost as y, write a linear equation. So y is equal to, total cost is equal to, for the first kilometer, whether you travel half kilometer or 1 meter or 2 meters, if you sit and get down also, compulsory 8 rupees you should give. After that,
Sir, 8 plus 5x, sir.
1 second. So children, for the first kilometer compulsory 8 rupees you should pay, children, that's all. After that, for every kilometer 5 rupees. Can anyone
Sir,
tell how much
5x.
Can anyone tell, is it correct, children? Is it correct, children? For every kilometer you should pay 5 rupees. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Minus 8.
Is it correct? Is it correct?
No, sir. First kilometers we should not pay 5 rupees.
Yes, first kilometer already over now. So you should put x minus 1 here. Children, y is equal to 8 plus 5x if you keep. This is also coming. But this is already over first kilometer. So y is equal to 8 plus 5 into x minus 1. Understood, children? Why x minus 1? Because first kilometer is over. When first kilometer is over, you should take equation. Now what is the equation turning out to be? 8 plus 5x minus 5. So what do you write? Y is equal to 5x plus 3. What do you write, children? This you bring here, this you take here. 5x minus y is equal to minus 3 is the linear equation. Okay, children? Anyone have any doubts in this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Awesome.
Yep. Next question. Next question. Randomly I am discussing some sums in the lessons, children, which you have doubts. The work done by a body on the application of the force. The work done by a body on the application of the constant force is directly proportional to the distance travelled by the body. Work done is directly proportional to displacement. He said, express this in the form of equation in two variables and take constant force. Children, removing proportionality is asking you to keep a constant as force, and is asking take force as 5 units. Take force as 5 units. Also, read the graph from the work done when the distance travelled by the body is 2 units and 0 units. If the distance travelled is 2 units, work done is 10 joules. If the distance travelled is 0 units, work done is 0 joules. But this we should tell from the graph, not by doing like this. What is the equation we got means W is equal to 5s. W is equal to 5s. For this linear equation, we should draw a graph. For drawing graph, minimum how many coordinates are required, children?
2.
3 coordinates. Minimum
3, sir.
2 is enough. 2 is enough actually. But I am drawing 3, children. W, S. Displacement 10, 20, 30. If displacement is 10, what is the work? 50.
50, sir.
If displacement is 20, what is the work?
100.
100. If displacement is 30, what is the work?
150.
150.
150 joules. Now we should plot the graph, children, compulsory. Work, displacement. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And children, you'll be having the small boxes now, children. So each one box, how much you will take, children? 50 will take one, 100 will take one, next one will take 150, next one will take 200, like that you practice. Okay. Now 10, when it is 10, it is 50. When it is 20, it is 100. When it is 30, it is 150. Graph is going like this. Graph is going like this. Okay, children. So if you draw graph, if you extend the line on both sides like this, it will go, children. So when when displacement is 2, how much is the work? You have to find out from the graph, children. Of course, you say from the graph only this you say no problem will be there. And tell you. Like this, you have to plot the graph, children. Okay, children, if you understood, it's well and good. If not, one more I'm saying, children. Fatima and Yamini, two students, donated from Prime Minister Relief Fund amount of rupees 100. So Yamini and Fatima together donated 100 rupees for Prime Minister Relief Fund. Draw the graph for this, children. So children, for drawing the graph, minimum 3 coordinates are required, x and y. Okay, children, shall I give x or y? Which one you want, children? Your wish, anything you can take.
X, sir.
X 10, 20, 30 if I take. What will be y if x is 10?
90, sir.
What will be y
80.
if x is 20?
80.
80.
70, sir.
70. Let's plot the graph, children. Okay, x, y. Nothing will happen. Anywhere you can, because x is Yalmini and Fatima. Anywhere you can take. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, okay, 70, 80, 90, etc., etc. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, so on. But, okay, 70, 80, 90 is needed. This will take x, children, this I will take y. Okay, children, no problem now? Because Yamini and Fatima, x and y axis is not x and y axis, children, remember. Okay, so don't get confused, children. Okay, this is x and okay. Now x is 10, y is 90. Are you getting confused, children, with this? You will get confusion. Okay, children. Okay, this is only x, this is only y. Don't worry, children. This is, I'm drawing up 70, 80, 90. Don't get confused, children. So 10 comma 90. First one is 10 comma 90. Second one is 20 comma 80. Third one is 30 comma 70. It's going like this. You have to draw the graph like this and you have to show. Okay, children. One more question is there in countries like Nana, you did not give linear equation. Why Nana? You did not give linear equation.
1 second.
Okay, no problem. I know what is a linear equation. The linear equation is c by 5 is equal to f minus 32 by 9 is the linear equation. C by 5 minus f minus 32 by 9 is the linear equation. If they give Celsius, you can find out Fahrenheit. If they give Fahrenheit, you can find out Celsius. Okay, children? No, sir, I want graph for this means okay, we will draw graph. No problem for this. So we can draw graph, children. This is x, this is y. X by 5 is equal to y minus 32 by 9. Are they asking us to draw the graph, children? What is the question? I don't know. Okay, like this. 9x is equal to 5y minus 180. Okay, children? So, bring this here, children. 5y is equal to 9x plus 180. Y is equal to 9x plus 180 by 5. Okay, children? Now we have to draw the graph, children. How to draw the graph? Minimum 3 coordinates are necessary, children. It will be good to also, okay, no problem. X and y. Okay, children? Okay. X how much will take, children, first? Minus 10, 0, minus 20. Okay, children? Y, sir, you are taking like that means C, children. If I take minus 10 plus 180 by 5, how much, children? Minus 90 plus 180 by 5, how much? 180 by 5, how much? 36. So Y will be 36. If it is 0, 5 children. This is 180 minus 90 is 90.
Minus
90 by
90.
5 is 18 degrees. 18 degrees. 18 children. If this will be 18. Okay. And if I keep 0, if I keep 0 here, 9 zeros are 0.
180 by 5, sir.
A1 by 5.
It is how much? 36.
36.
If minus 20, if I keep here, minus 180 plus 180 by 2, that is 0. For this, we have to draw the graph, children. For this, we have to draw the graph again. Okay. If you plot a graph, children, for this, if you plot a graph between for this, children, so actually you need a graph because 18 is there, 36 is there, 0 is there. You need a graph, children, because in the graph the minute divisions will be there, children. You have to take each one 2, 2 or 4, 4. Then you can do. You will get it, children. If I show on the graph, you won't get because there are no whole numbers are there, children, here. Next question. Next question. Very easy, some children. This I told you many times. In spite of that, you are asking me again. Vivek, this is there. This is there. Please see here, children, all of you. And this is there like this. This is there like this, children. It's given. This is A. This is B. This is C. And this is D. This is E. This is F. Okay, children, question is what it is given A, B, C and B, D, E, F. AB is equal to DE. AB is equal to DE, children. See here. This AB is equal to this DE. He only told. And AB is parallel to DE also he told. In the same way, BC is equal to EF. BC is equal to EF. In the same way, BC is parallel to EF. BC is parallel to EF. Now are joined, so respectively, children. So what we have to show, children? We have to show that, children, required to prove. I'm writing. Please see here, children. Required to prove. We have to prove that first ABCD is parallelogram. Then BEFC is a parallelogram. Then AD is parallel to CF. Then AD is equal to CF. Then ACFD is parallelogram. Then AC is equal to DF. Then triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF.
Sir, that is ABCD or ABED, sir?
Which one? ABC, ABED. Yeah, ABED. Children, first one. Who will tell first one?
Sir, I'll say, sir.
Yeah, tell now. This is a parallelogram. We have to prove. How is it a parallelogram? Can you tell?
Yes, sir. It is given AB is equal to AD and AB is parallel to AD.
ED. AB is equal to ED. AB is parallel to ED.
ED, sir.
Opposite sides are
Equal and parallel to each other. Then it will
equal
be a
and
parallelogram.
That's our over, children. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are parallel. They only give. If opposite sides are equal and parallel, it is a parallelogram. If opposite sides are equal and parallel, it is a parallelogram. This and this are equal and this and that are parallel. So opposite sides are equal and parallel is a parallelogram. Now who will say BEFC is a parallelogram? Who will tell?
Sir, can I?
Yeah, tell fast.
Sir, it's given that BC equals to EF and BC is parallel to EF.
Same. Opposite sides are?
Opposite sides are equal and parallel.
So BEFC is also a
Parallelogram.
parallelogram. Now I want you to prove like this. Who will tell this? Third step. Who will tell third step? So children,
Sir, can I?
Wait, and I will say. This is a parallelogram. Downwards is also a parallelogram. AD is equal to BE. Why AD is equal to BE? Because this is a parallelogram. BE is equal to CF. Why BE is equal to CF? Because it is also parallelogram.
Parallelogram.
Therefore, AD is equal to CF. Am I correct, children?
Yes, sir.
This is equal to this, this is equal to this, these both are also equal. No, sir, we need to understand this. Again, I am saying this is parallel to this. Why?
It's a parallelogram.
Next, B is parallel to CF. Why?
It's a parallelogram.
Parallelogram.
AD is parallel to CF.
CF.
AD is parallel to CF. Now, these both are equal, these both are parallel. So opposite sides are equal and parallel. So opposite sides are equal and parallel. So
It is a parallelogram.
ACFD is a
ACFD is
parallelogram.
also a parallelogram. This and this are equal, this and this are parallel. ACFD is also parallelogram. ACFD is also parallelogram. Because ACFD is a parallelogram,
AC equals to DF.
by CPCD, AC is equal to DF because opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. AC is equal to DF, we prove. AB is equal to DE, they give.
They gave, sir.
Okay, BC is equal to EF, they give. It is given, it is given, it is we proved by SSS.
Sir, SSS congruency.
ABC is congruent to DEF. ABC is congruent to DEF. Oh, children, you should understand this. There is no rocket science involved in this. It's small sum, very small sum, children. You should understand that. Yes, children, anyone have any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Next one, children. Next one, children. This is also very easy sum, children. So we discussed it many times. So number, I think some number is there, but ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium. Okay, and AB is extended up to E, and these are joined like this. These are joined like this. Almost same parallel to this. This and this are parallel. Okay, children, given what is given? Children, given is what? ABCD is trapezium. Given is what? ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD. Of course, children, if ABCD is a trapezium, AB is parallel to CD. Everyone knows that. And he also said that AD is equal to BC. That is need not to be there, children, but here he said AD is equal to BC. Okay, show that. Required to prove. There are so many required to proofs. Angle A is equal to angle B is asking. Angle C is equal to angle D is asking. And triangle ABC is congruent to triangle BAD is asking. And AC is equal to BD is asking. This many is asking. Children, now construction, children. Since construction is there, we are going to join AD parallel to EC. AD parallel to EC. Children, we are drawing AD parallel to EC. Try to understand. AD is parallel to EC. Okay, children, we are drawing AD parallel to EC. Because AD is parallel to EC, and of course they are also equal, children. Why they are equal, children? Anyone? Why they are equal?
Given.
No, it's not given. These both are not equal. They have not given. These both are equal. They said these both are equal.
Yes, sir, they can.
Because, children, this is a parallel and these both are also parallel. It is a parallelogram. So AD is equal to CE because it is a parallelogram. And he gave that AD is equal to BC. AD is equal to CE, we constructed. AD is equal to BC, they gave. So now what we can say? BC is equal to
EC.
C. Try to understand. BC is equal to EC. Okay. This is equal to this. This is equal to this. So these both are equal. If these both are equal, base angles are also equal. Base angles are also equal. Base angles are also equal. If this is x, this is also x. Why, children? Opposite angles
in the
Opposite-
parallelogram are equal.
Very good. Opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. If this is x, this is also x. Why, children?
Alternate angles.
Alternate angles. So C and D are equal. We have proved just now. If this is x, this is 180 minus x. Why?
Adjacent angles are supplementary.
Adjacent angles.
Coincident angles are supplementary. If this is x, this is also 180 minus x. Why, children?
Co-interior angles.
Co-interior angles are supplementary.
So A is equal to B also we proved it, children. A is equal to B also we proved it. Now, children, okay, here there is one triangle. Can you see, children? What is the name of this triangle? ADB. This is 180 minus x. This is x. Another triangle is there, children. See, this is ADB. What is other triangle, children? A, B, C. This is also 180 minus x, and this is some x something we got, children. These both are congruent. Am I correct, children? These both are congruent. Why? AB is equal to AB. Why?
Common side.
Common side. Angle A is equal to angle B. Why? 180 minus
180
AD is equal to BC. Why?
given.
Given by SAS, BAD bad is congruent to bad is congruent to ABC. Bad is congruent to ABC. Because they both are congruent, by CT what we can say, children? BD is equal to AC, diagonals are equal. Like that you have to prove, children. Like that also we can prove, children. Very easy. Anyone have any doubt in this question, you can ask, children. No problem, children, you can ask me. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Anyone have any doubt in this question, children?
Sir.
No, sir.
Next, Shanti Sweet Stall. Children, Shanti Sweet Stall is placing an order for packing sweet boxes. Children, one is big box is packing, one is small box, one is big box, one is small box. I will do big box, you do small box on your own, children. Okay, so two sizes of boxes were required. The bigger box of dimensions 25, 20 and 5. 25, 20 and 5 centimeters dimensions, and small box for dimensions 15, 12 and 5 centimeters small box. For all the overlaps, 5% is needed extra. For all the overlaps, it needed extra. Do you know what is the overlaps, children? For sweet box, corners overlaps will come, no children, corners. So sweet box, for corners overlaps will come. That is 5% extra is needed. Okay, and cost of the cardboard is 4 rupees per 1000 centimeters square. 4 rupees per 1000 centimeters square. What is the cost of making 250 such boxes? What is the cost of making 250 such boxes? Big one I will do, small one you do, children. Okay, children. So big one I am saying TSA of big box. What is the formula? 2 into
LB plus BH plus H.
HL. So 2 into 25 into 20 plus 20 into 5 plus 25 into 5. Please try to understand, children. 2 into 500 plus 100 plus 125. So 2 into 725. That is 1450 centimeters square is needed normally. But 5% extra is also needed. 5% extra. 5% extra. So 1450 is 100%. 5% is how much?
1450 into 5 by 100.
1450 into 5 by 100. How much, children? 5 5 is 25. 5 4 is 20, 22. 5 7, 25 by 10. 72.5 is needed extra. How much is needed? 72.5. Apart from 1450, 72.5 is extra needed for side overlaps. Where we put box like this, it will come, no children, box like this. This is overlap. Okay, so 2 2 5 1 5 2 2.5 centimeter square is needed for big boxes. Okay, like that. How many boxes are needed, children? 250 boxes.
250.
Okay, and what is the cost of each box? 4 rupees per 1000 centimeter square. 4 rupees per 1000 centimeter square. 250 into 4, 250 into 4 is over. 1522.5 rupees is needed for 250 big boxes. This is big box. Small box will you do, children? Same, children. First you have to find out TSA. Then you find out 5%. Then add TSA to 5%. Then the total you multiply with 250. Then total into 250 into 4 by 1000 you do, children. Anyway, this and this gets cancelled. This is only your answer even for your small box. Very easy sum, children. Later, this one and this one you add, you will get total cost of small and big boxes. Is it okay, children? You are able to understand? Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You have to do on your own, children. That remaining one. Second one, Parveen want to make a temporary tarpaulin cloth for her car. Children, for if you want to make with the car cover, is it TSA or anything else? For car cover.
CSA plus top.
Sir, CSA plus base. CSA plus top.
CSA minus base or CSA plus top. From TSA remove base or from CSA add top. Which method you want me to do? First or second?
CSA plus top.
CSA plus tops.
CSA plus top if you want. Dimensions are 4 meter into 3 meter into 2.5 meter. Always the first one is length, breadth, height. Okay, CSA plus top you want me to do means what is the CSA of cuboid?
2h into L
2h
plus
into L plus K.
And what is the top?
LB.
LB.
Yes, children. This is 5. This is
5 into 7 plus 12, sir. 35 plus 12, 47 centimeters.
47 meters square of tarpaulin cloth is needed to cover her car. Whether you do with CSA plus top, CSA means 4 walls plus top, or from all 6 walls remove the base, because base won't be there for car cover, no children. Am I correct? Base won't be there for car cover. Next. The students of Vidyalaya are asked to make the participation of decorating pen holders. Children, pen holders you have to make, children. Pen holders. So pen holders means it will be like this, children. The base of the radius is 3 centimeters and the height is 10.5 centimeters. 35 competitors are there, children. And how much cardboard is needed? So children, pen holder means CSA plus base.
Base.
Pen holder means CSA plus base. CSA of cylinder plus base. CSA of cylinder, anyone?
2 pi r.
2 pi r h.
Base is?
Pi
Pi
r.
r.
Pi r square.
What is common?
Pi r common 2h plus r into 35.
Competitors. 22 by 7 into 3. 2 into 10.5 plus 3 into 35. 22 by 7 into 3. This is 21. 24 into 35. 7 5s are. Okay, children. Find this is 110 into 3 into 24. How much is this, children? 330 into 24. So 40 43 13 2066 0297 7920 centimeters square is needed for 350 cylinders, 350 pen holders. For 350 pen holders, children. Next. Children, a lampshade is there, children. Lampshade is there, like this. A lampshade is there. A lampshade is there. Height is 30 centimeters, children. Height is 30 centimeters. Okay, and diameter is 20 centimeters. And children, when you roll anything round, up and down for covering this, and for covering this, margins extra are needed. Margin here 2.5 centimeters is needed. Here 2.5 centimeters are needed. So 30 plus 2.5 plus 2.5 total is how much?
35.
35.
35 centimeters. Question is, what is the TSA of covering this cylinder? TSA of cylinder?
2 pi r.
CS.
2 pi r into r plus h.
2 pi r into r plus h. 2 into 22 by 7 into diameter is 10 centimeters. So radius is 10. Diameter is 20, radius 10. So 10 plus 35. 10 plus 35. Okay, children, 10 plus 2 pi r into r plus h, children. So diameter, how much they gave, children? 1 second. 3 diameter is 20, height is 30. So how much is 2 pi r into r plus h, children? How much it is this? 2 into 22 by 7 into 10 into 45. Is it correct, children? Margin of this is needed. Yes. No. Question is, I am doing wrong. Nobody is telling also. CSA only we should find out now. See, children, around this it is wrapped, and whatever extra margin is there, that is folded on the top. So only CSA is asking. But height we should take 35. What is the CSA, children? 2 pi RH.
2 pi r.
2 into 22 by 7 into 7 5 the 5 2s are 10, 10 10 is 100, 2200 centimeter square of cloth is needed for the lampshade covering, and the margins extra should be covered on that. Extra margin should be covered on that. Okay, children. Next one, children. Okay, children. I'll tell 1 second. next semester I will tell